Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Redbubble to Shopify. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. Simply, you cannot directly integrate Redbubble with Shopify. So as you can see, this is a Redbubble support center or the help center, and as you can see, they do not provide any direct integration with Redbubble and Shopify stores. So basically, we need just to find some alternative way to connect both of these services. So basically, the tool that we can use is Zapier. So Zapier is a workflow automation. So we can start automate, for example, importing some portfolio parts or the sale the orders from your Redbubble into our Shopify store. So basically, make sure to go to the Zapier.com website and then you can create your Zaps. So from here, we will find Zaps. And after that, it will take you to this automation builder. And from here, we can use, for example, Copilot. And it will help us automate our flow. So here, as you can see, the AI is trying to create some workflows that you can try. And here we are going to add, for example, our Shopify. So basically, now we need just to find some custom schedule or custom interfaces. And basically, we can start searching for customized connection. For example, I need to add a custom connection, for example, to, to another websites. And then we can include Redbubble there. And by adding, for example, here, it will add us a step. So we need just to take off this one. So as you can see, we can use the Get webhook. And this webhook is a pro tool. As you can see, you need to have a pro tool and then we will need to get elements. So I'm just going to use get, then continue, then you can add the URL, you can add the portfolio uh, to your elements, I mean to your Redbubble website, and then it will have all the elements, and then you can fetch them or post them to your Shopify as orders. And basically, this is how the only way that you can try to connect Redbubble to Shopify. Thank you for watching and see you next time.